Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the garden. I am very, very excited. Last week we did an awesome pour with a transparent base coat called Pure Energy, and I absolutely love the way that one came out. It was so pretty. The background was this dark Prussian blue, and we used the pearl blue from Amsterdam and the pearl yellow and the 24 karat gold and the transparent base coat, and it was so cool. It looked like streaks of lightning almost. So I kind of want to play with that again tonight. I have here a 15 by 30 inch gallery wrap canvas. This one I have taped and pinned, and I have painted the sides and edges and the surface with two different colors. Let me show you real quick. The first one is Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet, which I love this one. I use it all the time. And I also used some of this Lumiere by DecoArt in the Pearlescent Violet. Very, very pretty. And I kind of did a coat of this, then a coat of this, then a coat of this. So, but you know, it's fun. That's actually kind of very relaxing for me, almost like meditation. So that's our canvas is ready to go. And then I have my transparent base coat, which is also my pouring medium. This is Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and American Floetrol, and a lot of water, and it is not thick at all. Sinking into itself pretty much right off the bat. Tiniest mound, but there's a lot of Floetrol in here. So we're going to put down a big puddle. We're going to do some designs with our paints. We might wreck it, we might not, I don't know. And then we're going to stretch it out and see what happens. So let's get going. All right. I'm going to pour a nice puddle of this right in here. You may not even need any more, but okay. All right. Just so everybody can see what's happening. Wait, let me torch that real quick. As you see bubbles. Okay, so we're going to use the 24 karat gold first, just so everybody can see what's happening. So this one is the DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold, HOA's favorite showgirl. Okay, so in honor of Valentine's Day, we're going to write something and a beautiful wish for everybody. So, oop, that was a drip. All right, are you ready, husband of awesomeness? We're going to start over here.
Yes, my love.
Here we go. Okay. Says love. All right, we're going to take the pearl blue from Amsterdam, and we're going to go over this. Ready, darling?
Yes, my love.
Here we go. Okay, and now some pearl yellow from Amsterdam. Here we go. Okay. Well, that's kind of cool.
Come on, you can't wreck love.
No, but you can make it chaotic. Ready?
Does that all by itself.
Here we go. We're just gonna put a little bit of marbling through there. Okay, now we're good. So, a little bit more of this on the corners and edges. Okay. Spread that out. Let's dance. Are you ready, darling?
Yes, my love.
Okay. Seems like the weight of the paint is kind of on this end. So I'm just gonna walk it down a little bit and mess this up a little bit. And stretch it out. Okay. That's looking cool. I just let this float down and open up. I see something. Let's tilt that a little bit. Okay. It's looking kind of cool. What do you think, HOA?
See my boss.
I think it's pretty. I like that. Okay. I am happy. I think we have some very pretty parts. I know you guys probably can't see the pearl yellow or the pearl blue right now, but I can. And it's really, really pretty. And I love the way the gold is sort of dragging itself and stretching out like that. It's really pretty. Cool. Okay. Let's torch this one more time. You can still kind of see the O and the V and the E.
Yep.
Is that good or bad?
It's good.
It's good, okay. I love this over here. It's going to be really interesting when it dries. So, okay, I will show you guys when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And we'll be right back.
That is all you need.
Okay, here we are a few days later with our dried results. This one came out really neat. I love that pearl blue and the pearl yellow, and of course the 24 karat gold and our purple base coat. This is really, really neat. I love these transparent base coats where you can tilt everything around and everything kind of gets chaotic and crazy and swirly and beautiful. I love this edge over here in the top corner where we have that sort of dragged bleed. You can still sort of see the OVE. I will admit I did tilt it a little bit more when I got into the yurt, just because I didn't want it to be so visible, but I do still see it. So this one was a lot of fun. Joey, can you do some tilting for us, nice and slow? Like back towards you a little bit, and then towards me. Very cool. Now a little bit side to side. Very neat. Sorry, there is no sun today, and it's about to start raining. But this one came out a lot of fun. Thank you all so much for being here. I wish you all a very, very happy Valentine's Day, and hope you get everything that you want. I love you guys a lot. We'll see you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.